Yo, what's going on everybody? Welcome back to a brand new video. As y'all can see, I'm bringing you a brand new custom video where we do a little bit of painting, a little bit of this, a little bit of that. I don't know, something just popped off in my brain the other day and I was like, yo, I need to paint something. So I had these dunks laying around. I actually went on Google and I was looking through like inspirations and I got this picture right here. So I don't remember who to credit, but if I do have like a specific person, all credit to them. Thank you so much for the inspiration. Make sure you show them some love. If there is anybody that I can link, they'll be down below in the description. And before we get started, all of the products that you see in this video will be found down below in the description. Shout out to my family over at Angelus Direct. I'll also have a discount code down below if you guys want to try some customs like this on your own time. I wish y'all could see this background. Oh, there you go. Kinda like, oh wait, we're just focusing on the background, right? Look at that. That's beautiful. That almost looks fake. That looks fake, right guys? Anyway, yeah, we have a custom video today. If you enjoy these videos, don't forget to hit the like button. This like means a lot. And if you're not subscribed yet, seriously, what are you guys doing? Hit the subscribe button. Road to 600K. You already know what time it is. It's time to sit back, relax, and eat snacks. Let's go. Whenever you're working on a custom, it's essential to prep properly. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna hit it with leather prep and deglazer from my family over at Angelus. This removes the top layer on the leather and it helps the paint adhere to the surface properly, which means that you'll get more wears out of your dope custom sneakers. Since I moved, I haven't had a chance to re-up on some cotton balls, so I had this like dirty little rag laying around, so I was like, okay, let's improvise. And I used to not do this before, but I think it makes the biggest difference. Cut any loose threads, burn them a little bit, make them look a little bit cleaner, because when you paint over it, the paint almost mummifies it and it just locks in loose thread, which looks pretty ugly. So make sure you get rid of that loose thread. Now, whenever I paint on dark surfaces, I always go with a lighter color. So this isn't the brown that I'm intentionally going to use. And I'm pairing this with a little bit of duller just because I don't like that shine with the original paint. I'm also using a smaller paintbrush than usual, and I actually like it a little bit better. You get more control, and it prevents you from globbing up too much paint on the sneaker. This is how the first coat is looking. It's not really the brown that I was going for, like I said, so I went ahead and I switched it up to a different brown. Straight out the bottle, this brown was a little bit too dark. So what I did was I mixed the original brown with the darker brown, and then I came in the middle, as you guys can see right here. This is the shade that I wanted. You guys can play around with it, man. I don't have the exact measurements. I think brown is one of those difficult colors to mix, so you really just gotta play around with it. And once again, add some duller in there if you don't like the shine. This custom was a very simple and easy custom. There wasn't too much that went into it. I ended up doing 5 layers of brown on the sneakers. Oh, and I almost forgot, I added some nice cream laces. If you guys like the cream laces that I used, I will be selling them on my website at shopsoultopia.com. The shipment hasn't arrived yet, so if you guys want to stay updated, follow me on Instagram at sneakerheadinthebay, or you could just actively check the website. But as soon as I get them, I'll make sure to post them. Here are the final results. Again, if you guys like this video, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe to your boy, and let me know what you guys think about this custom. I actually only did 1 shoe, so you're gonna be able to see the original and you're also gonna be able to see the custom side by side. What I want you guys to do is leave a comment down below and let me know which one you guys prefer. I'll catch y'all very soon for the next video. It's your boy Sneakerhead in the Bay. Have a beautiful day. I'm out. Peace.